These days, it feels like every company is talking about artificial intelligence. Smarter phones, better cameras, faster search, voice assistants, self-driving features, and even medical tools powered by AI. But behind all of this, there is one quiet race happening in the background. Companies are racing to build better AI chips. So why is this happening? AI needs a huge amount of computing power. Training and running AI models means processing massive amounts of data again and again at very high speed. Normal computer chips can do this, but they are not built specifically for AI. They are like regular cars trying to compete in a Formula One race. They work, but they are not made for that level of speed and pressure. AI chips, on the other hand, are designed for this exact job. They can handle many calculations at the same time, which makes AI faster, more efficient, and cheaper to run. This is why companies want better and better AI chips. Faster chips mean faster AI, and faster AI means better products. Another big reason is money. AI is becoming part of almost every industry. Phones, cars, hospitals, banks, movies, games, and online shopping all use AI in some way. The companies that control the best AI chips can sell them to others or use them in their own products to get ahead of competitors. That's a huge business opportunity. We are talking about billions of dollars. There is also the issue of cost and power. Running AI on old-style hardware uses a lot of electricity and a lot of space. Data centers become expensive to run, and energy bills go up fast. Better AI chips can do the same work using less power and less time. This saves money and makes systems more practical to use at a large scale. For big tech companies, even small improvements can save millions every year. Speed is another key factor. In the AI world, being faster is not just nice to have. It can decide who wins and who falls behind. If one company can train an AI model in days while another needs weeks, the faster company can improve their product more often, fix problems quicker, and release new features sooner. Better AI chips make this possible. There is also competition and independence. Many companies do not want to depend on someone else's hardware forever. If you rely on another company's chips, you depend on their prices, their supply, and their decisions. By building their own AI chips, companies get more control over their future. They can design chips that perfectly match their needs instead of adjusting their software to fit someone else's hardware. Another important reason is new kinds of AI. AI is not standing still. Models are getting bigger, smarter, and more demanding. What worked a few years ago is often not enough today. Companies need new chip designs to handle larger models, more data, and more complex tasks. This pushes them to keep improving and inventing new hardware. There is also a national and global angle to this race. Countries and big organizations see AI as a key technology for the future. Just like electricity or the internet in the past, having strong AI hardware means having an advantage in science, business, and even security. That makes the race even more intense. In simple words, companies are racing to build better AI chips because AI is becoming the engine of modern technology. Better chips mean faster AI, cheaper AI, more powerful AI, and better products for users. The company that wins this hardware race gets a huge advantage in the AI world.